So the next thing is we try to create a new project or a new scribe. So you just click create a new scribe and you brought in over here. So this is a very blank canvas. So once you're here, you will see that there's nothing here. So the next thing is, let me try to take you through some of the key features in Videoscribe. The first one you see at the top left is the save icon. You want to create a project, you can just go ahead and save, and you can have save as in cases when you are working on a project and you want to save it as a different name or a different folder or using different location. You can cut, you can copy, you can paste, you can do all that from here. And then over here you have the scribe music. There are a bunch of music in the library. You can just click and you have access to different kind of music from here. So many music, you can see them. Page 1, page 2, page 3. Later on, I will show you how to use all of them. So this is music, and then this is voiceover. You can click to have voiceover. You can import voiceover, or you can make voiceover within the scribe. Over here, you have the background option. You can change the background option, and down here you have the scribe hand tool. You can change it from here. And this icon simply means you can start playing your scribe from scratch. Okay, this is from scratch. And this is the icon that you play at a particular selected image. You can start from somewhere, okay, not from scratch. This is from scratch, this start from somewhere. And then over here, you can share the scribe in different kind of formats. This is where you click to download your scribe at the end of it all. So this is the main canvas. You can see it over here. It's empty. Down here, you have access. You can move left, right, up and down using these arrows. And then you have the zoom in and out tool over here. Open to full fit to screen over here. You can fit this canvas to the entire screen if you so wish. And then later on, I will show you how to use the add new image button over here, and then the add text, and then the add charts. Okay, add new chart icon over here, and down here we have the camera view options. Later I will explain everything in detail.